Good afternoon. This is Universal News Media. Today is March 21st, 2018. Today we will be viewing unedited images from photos obtained within the past 24 to 48 hours from the Federal Aviation weather cams in Alaska. All videos are in time-lapse mode with each frame equal to 10 minutes. Here are the two moons again that we see in several locations throughout Alaska and Canada. These just happened to be visible yesterday on the southeast-facing weather cam in Puntia Lake, Alaska. Also, every day we see a red, fast-rotating planet rolling across the skies all over Alaska and Canada. I wanted to point out that there are more than one of these small red planets. This one from the southeast-facing weather cam in Lake Clark Pass, Alaska, has an enormous crater, which is a little difficult to see well, but the enlargements help to view this yawning crater even better. And some contrast added helps to view it even better. This red planet is not seen nearly as frequently as this one, being displayed here from the south-facing weather cam in Sitka, Alaska. As it rotates and rolls across the sky, it's obvious that there is no huge crater like the one we just viewed from Lake Clark Pass. These Sitka images are from 10 or 11 weeks ago because this is an excellent video for viewing an entire solar eclipse from start to finish. As the sun closes in on the planet, the sun simulator sends out a black positioning indicator beam to the concealment jet awaiting a signal. In a minute we'll see an excellent close-up of the concealment jet. Oddly shaped reflections of the concealment jet swing into view from the right side of the screen. Anyone with an IQ of at least 80 can recognize that the jet's reflection, which is shaped like a small airplane, cannot be a lens flare of the sun, which is shaped as a circle, round. The actual jet is not visible here because it is a very transparent machine, which we'll look at in a moment. The jet's reflection, the eclipsing planet, and the black dot on the sun simulator always line up in a straight line for optimum concealment of the eclipse. The eclipsing planet passes in front of our real sun, but behind the sun simulator, so that it's not obvious an eclipse is occurring. In the very last frame, we see the black dot reflecting upon the water, proving that it's a real piece of equipment and not a camera anomaly. The Mr. MBB333 YouTube channel has an excellent close-up of the concealment jet that keeps making odd reflections in thousands of these weather cam images. He shows this transparent machine in his January 30th, 2018 video. Here is a better image of the jet so that the viewers can grasp a general idea of its size. The trees in the bottom right corner and the sun help to give it a little bit of perspective. It looks very large and mostly transparent except for some lights. And here's an even better close-up of this highly secretive machine. It appears to have an arrowhead shape in the front. Behind that is a round area, and the back of it is rectangular with rows of lights. We saw this jet in action the other day from the southwest-facing weather cam in Barrow, Alaska. The sun is getting ready to eclipse a planet, which is very transparent in the atmospheric chemicals, and as the sun closes in on it, we see the concealment jet closely following the planet, sending signals back to the sun simulator. The planet, very invisible in the transparency of the atmospheric chemicals, comes out a little better with some contrast applied. The jet's reflection swings into view from the right edge of the screen. We've seen this before many times. Here's an eclipse that just occurred yesterday at 1:30 in the afternoon. Notice how dark it is for this time of day. This was viewed from the southeast-facing weather cam in Ugonic Bay, Alaska. The sun is still in an eclipse. This is why it is very dark. There are 3 large planets traveling together in close proximity, and we are seeing just one of them. The planets are passing in front of our real sun, but behind the sun simulator. The sun simulator has a very effective blurring mechanism applied to nearby celestial objects. That, combined with the transparency of the atmospheric chemicals, makes these planets difficult to spot. The objects we have just viewed are part of an approaching celestial system. Many people ask when the system will make its closest pass to our Earth. A general indication of time is provided in the following screens of text. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe.